Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online just watching videos. They're basically YouTube videos. I'm going to be introducing you to this platform that you can just watch a couple of videos, just some few seconds videos, and then you'll be making money every day on daily basis. So I'm going to be doing that right now. But before I do that, if you're a returning subscriber, just give us a thumb up. And for those who are new to the channel, please just hit the subscribe button and also like the video. You can share it as well. You know, the video can be of great help to someone, so it's preferable you also share the video. Okay, without further ado, I don't want to waste much time. I want this video to be as short and brief as possible, so let's get started. This platform is called Viewpoint, and then the pay you for watching videos, and they're just basically YouTube videos. So all you just need to do is to register with the platform, and then I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. First of all, if you go through it, you're going to see that there's a registration process, though there are other things you need to do in the platform that you can be earning money. So let me just quickly drive you down there. All right, this is it. So you need to, when you want to register, you need to put your first name, your username, your email, your phone number, your password, and then other details. Okay, activation code is very, very important. The activation code is very, very important. Now, this is how it works. Before you can sign up, you're going to be required to provide an activation code. The activation code can be sent to you by agents that give out the activation code. So I'm going to be dropping a link or a phone number of one of the agents in the description below, so you can just contact the person for an activation code. What else? Referral. Okay, since it's also a referral program, the name of the person who has referred you is going to be seen below, like where you have referral under here. So when you want to select account type, please make sure you select video earner. Video earner is the person who is watching YouTube videos to make money. For the sake of this tutorial, we are working on the video earner. That's all. If you can provide all this information, you just click register and you're okay. So when you're done registering, it's going to bring you to a platform like this. Mine is showing this amount because I have started earning money, but yours may be showing 500. Okay, and then all you need to do is just to scroll down to where you have this play button. You can see the red play button here. You just scroll down to where you have the play button and click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to redirect you to a YouTube video. It will take you to YouTube, and then you just watch the video. And in most cases, the videos I've seen, they are less than a minute long video. They are just some seconds. So you just watch the video to the end. As soon as you're done watching the video, this is going to load. You see, it's going to count down the number of hours left. As soon as this number of hours, the countdown is done, your money is going to appear up here. This amount is going to increase. So when you watch the video, for you to be sure that you have actually clicked on the video, this will try to indicate. Okay, so it's trying to verify if you've actually watched the video. It counts down, and then that's just all. As you can see underneath it, I watched my first video, which is number 1, and it was verified. And then I have watched the second one, which is this that is still ticking. It's just that simple. And then when it's time for you to get your pay, all you need to do is just to go and input your account details. Okay, so for you to successfully withdraw your money, all you need to do is to click on this menu, these 3 lines you have at this corner, and then go to my account. If you click on my account, it's going to show you your account information, and then you can update your account information. You select your country, city, and then it is also required that you input your Facebook profile link. So you just copy your Facebook profile link, because you can also make money on this platform using Facebook. When they send you a link of a viral video, all you just need to do is post it on your timeline. So they want to be sure, they want to verify that you have a Facebook account. So you post it on your timeline, and then you can also make money from that link. So like I said before, it's not just watching videos that you use to make money. You can also make money using your Facebook account, and then you input your address, and then underneath it you're going to see your bank account information. So all you need to do is you fill in your bank name, you fill in your bank account a number, and so let me just tell that, and then you input a pin. Now this pin is going to be like your transaction pin. this is the code you're going to be given to authenticate your transaction, that you're actually the one that wants to do this transaction. In case somebody has access to your account, without that PIN, the money cannot be transferred to any bank account. So make sure that that PIN is something you can remember, and then keep it private. Okay, so as soon as you're done, you now click on update bank account. So that bank account is now going to be updated, that information, and then whenever you want to withdraw your money, it's going to be sent directly to that bank account. So that's it for this tutorial. It's very simple for you to do. All you need to do is just get registered and refer people. Now, if you refer someone, you're going to be paid 1,040 something naira, okay, for each referral you make. So it's also better that you refer people, and then you can withdraw your referral bonuses every Wednesday and Sunday. I think to be precise, Wednesday and Sunday. So that one is very simple. You can be withdrawing it weekly, but for your video bonuses, you can only withdraw it on the 28th of every month. Now you can share your referral link. I think, okay, so if you click on, like I said before now, if you click on my referrals, when you click on my referrals, it's going to show you your referral link. So this link you're seeing here, this is your referral link. So you can copy this link and send to someone else for the person to use and register. So it's just that very simple. Very, very simple. So step 1 is for you to get registered. Step 2, watch a video. Step 3, share your referral link and earn money. So you can be earning money on a daily basis. So that's it. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. But if there's any question you have that you don't understand, just comment on the comment section below. I'm going to be answering you every of your questions. If there's anything you don't understand at all, just let me know. And I'm going to be dropping the phone number, the WhatsApp number of the person who you can get the code from. So if you need a code, the number is going to be written on the comment section below and on the description below. So feel free to do it. And I forgot to tell you, this site has just been launched. So take advantage of it while it still lasts. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.